Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make clove cream. This is an anti-aging cream that you can use for treating premature wrinkles and sagging skin. So stay tuned to find out all the benefits of this cream. To make this cream, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of clove seed. I'm going to blend this clove seed into a fine powder. So I'm going to add it into the blender and blend. Clove seed is a powerful spice. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. It will help to remove dead skin cells and also help circulation. Seeds will help to reduce sagginess of the skin and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. So when I'm done blending, I will set aside. I'll be adding the blended clove seed into a pot. I'll be using warm water, so I'm going to add some water. I'm using warm water because I want to quicken the boiling process. I will allow it to boil for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to cool. I will use a chiffon cloth to sieve to get the clove tea. Chiffon cloth to avoid the smaller particles of the clove seed. When I'm done sieving, I will allow it to cool. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of the clove tea. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of oregano oil. This oil will help too. It has anti-aging properties and will protect our skin from sun damage. It will also moisturize the skin. I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help to moisturize the skin. It will also relieve dryness and soften the skin. Glycerin will help to preserve some other ingredients in this cream. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to fight aging. It will lighten blemishes, boost skin healing, moisturize, and soothe sunburn. When I'm done adding, I'm going to mix to combine. When I'm done mixing, you can store this cream in airtight container and keep in your refrigerator for about 4 days. You can apply this cream on a clean washed skin. It will help to relieve sagginess of the skin, prevent fine lines and wrinkles because clove seeds has powerful anti-aging ingredients and it will help to remove dead skin cells and tighten your skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.